Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today let us just talk about the UCS icon and how can we set the UCS. Right now, when I just drag in and drag out the UCS, come along with me. For that, I will click on the view, display, UCS, and I will just remove it from origin. Now when you just scroll down your middlemost button, it will not come along with you, right? And when I click onto the isometric view, the Z is always upward, right? Go to top view, and sometime, if for example I just want to draw a rectangle and I want to extrude it by 12, and now I want to click on the visualize and go to the isometric view, press and hold Ctrl and Alt key at a time and click on this face to just use for the press board. And now what I can do, I can just set the UCS, because in AutoCAD whatever you draw, it will draw on the Z-axis direction, and you can just extrude it like in this way, right? But what I can do, I just want to set up my Z-axis direction. For that, I will enter UCS, enter, and F enter, and choose this face and hit enter. Now see, the Z is along this face. Now whenever you draw something, it will be Z enter, E enter. Now C for circle, and it will be on this face. Now if you want to extrude it, it will be in this way. Hope you got the point. Thanks for watching.